Hello and welcome to Chester Peugeot. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking around this used vehicle. Just landed in stock, we do have the fantastic 2020 model Citroen Berlingo Enterprise that does come complemented in the modernised and sleek black paintwork, really contrasting well with those advanced features. It does come as a 1.5 diesel, making it the ideal upgrade for those wanting to cover extra miles with plenty of space in the rear loading area. You do also have plenty of top features all round, including your automatic headlights for enhanced visibility ahead. You do also have your 16-inch steel wheels alongside added protection with your power folding door mirrors and rear parking sensors. Moving into your load area, you will find several load lashings to secure any items, alongside your side sliding door for easy access in and out. Your asymmetric rear doors do open to 180 degrees as well. Moving into your front interior now, you will find your central touch display screen to provide much needed entertainment, especially on those longer trips, followed just opposite by your very comfortable full cloth trim seats. You do also have your options to easily display all your vital driving data on your central display screen. You do even have your cruise control and speed limiter features, which will be displayed on here as well to assist out on the open road. Moving across into your central display screen now, you do have your MirrorLink, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for quick access to all your vital driving apps, and you do even have a wide selection of radio stations alongside your USB and iPod connection. You do have your on-screen driving functions to easily keep an eye on the overall condition, alongside your parking sensors, which will be activated once you do put the car into reverse. Of course, you do have all your general settings, including your ambient lighting with a colour selection choice of red or orange to give it that personalised feel overall. This is followed just below by your main climate dials, alongside your air conditioning and a handy charging pocket. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. If you would like any further information regarding this vehicle, please give our team a call on 01244 883 072 or inquire online now.